Alright, so today we are going to be doing the this or that squishy tag, and I have all my squishies prepared for it behind me, but let's just get started. So, where's my list? Sitting on it. So the first question is food or character, and I have my I Bloom Peach for food. And I have my Jumbo Chica for character. And I know most of you think character as like dense pop-up squishies, but character is character and Chica is a character. So I know some of you guys are being like,
character squishies are those weird pop-up squishies by Sanix or Sanrio.
But to me, this is a character squishy. But the winner is, I'd pick this one probably over these two, but definitely character. Actually, I don't know which I'd pick, but the question is character or food, so I pick character. So, the second question is Hello Kitty or Rilakkuma. So, this is my Hello Kitty waffle. And I actually don't have any Rilakkuma squishies. So, even though I don't have one, I would pick Rilakkuma because I just overall like him better than Hello Kitty. Don't get me wrong, I love Hello Kitty. I just like Rilakkuma a little more, even though I don't have a squishy of him yet. But I'm hoping to get one eventually. So, the third question is smell or no smell. So, for smell, I have this Jumbo Punimaru pancakes. And this is the blueberry design. And dear God, guys, this smells so good. I know it's supposed to smell like blueberry, but it smells like grapes to me. And it smells so good. It smells like grape juice. Not like grape medicine, that's gross. But, like, I hate the smell of grape medicine, but this smells like freaking grape juice. So, yeah, I spent a lot of time on that. But, and then this is just this apple I got at Walgreens for $10. And it doesn't have any scent. It just smells like the normal squishy scent, like chemicals and popcorn and cheese. And
super slow rising, and it smells like carrots and popcorn, like and vanilla and stuff, like a normal.
I despise the smell of common squishies, but you know, I deal with it. So obviously, I just told you I despise the smell of common squishies. So I'm obviously gonna pick scent or smell, whatever. But yes, definitely smell. So the next question is small or jumbo. And for jumbo, I have this Jumbo Penguin by Punimaru. And he is pretty big. Not quite as big as my head, but close. Or mini, and I just have this Hello Kitty ice cream scoop bowl. And I love small squishies. I can bring them to school. But definitely jumbo because a lot of the time jumbo squishies are cuter and they're just more fun to squish. So yeah. Next is resealable packaging or non-resealable packaging. This is non-resealable, but I did open it. I know, but this is the only non-resealable packaging I have, so I just had to use this one. But I love this squishy. It's one of my first squishies. Well, besides my common squishies. And this is resealable. It's just not sticky anymore, and that kind of stinks. But I usually just use clear tape. I just haven't got to this one yet. So, yes. I would definitely pick resealable because then you can keep the
adorable packaging without having to rip off like half the word. With the like Shopkin ones, I always end up ripping half the word off and I get so angry. But yeah, so I would definitely pick reseal.
So, next, bread or cake. I don't really have either, so I just picked this jumbo bun with very ripped packaging, or this macaroon. Guys, I don't have a cake, I'm sorry. So I know macaroons are not cakes, but they're the closest I have. And I would definitely pick cake if I had a cake, but I don't, so, you know, yeah. Lastly, chocolate. This one's kind of hard, but you know. Or vanilla. Again, I don't really have a vanilla squishy, so panda buns are white. We're gonna go with it, so. And the last ones do not have squishies involved. It's just, do you prefer Store Envy or established website? So this is going to be Store Envy, and this is going to be established website like Delightful Boutique, Silly Squishies. So, if you were going to pick one of these, I wonder what you'd pick that you like better. Me too! So, I definitely like established websites better. I like Store Envy and like Etsy and stuff, but I just trust established websites more because it's less easy to get scammed on. So, sorry guys, I'm sick. I just trust established websites a little more. And the last question is, do you prefer squishy tags? No, squishy tags like videos. So this would be squishy tags or squishy package openings. So this will be package openings. So even though I like this squishy better, I do like package openings more because would you like, listen here, say you were the person making the video, would you like to pick squishies over other squishies, or would you like to get new squishies and keep your old ones? So it's like you're getting a present. I would definitely want to get new squishies over just showing people my old squishies that you've probably seen 1,000 times. But I do love squishy tags. It is fun. I just like getting new squishies more. Sorry guys, I'm talking with my hands a lot. I get that from my dad. But yeah. So that is all for today, guys. Love you guys all. See you guys later. Bye.
Hi guys. My name is Simba. I am flea free. I'm looking for a girlfriend because my ex-wife Elizabeth dumped me. Oh, I'm gonna run away now.